Jewelweed, also known as Impatiens capensis, is a well-known plant in herbal medicine, renowned for its various medicinal uses, especially for skin conditions. This video explores its growth and habitat, identification, edible parts and uses, medicinal parts and uses, and important precautions. Please note this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any illness, ailment, or disease. I recommend you consult with a healthcare provider who is knowledgeable about complementary herbal care prior to trying anything new. Growth and habitat. Jewelweed typically grows in moist, shaded areas such as wetlands, along streams, and in damp forests. It thrives in rich, loamy soil and is commonly found across North America. The plant can grow up to 5 feet tall and prefers areas with partial to full shade. Identification. Jewelweed is easily recognizable by its succulent, translucent stems and oval-toothed leaves. It produces distinctive orange or yellow trumpet-shaped flowers with red or brown spots. The flowers bloom from late spring to early fall, and its seed pods are known for exploding upon touch, dispersing seeds, a trait that gives the plant its name, touch-me-not. Edible parts and uses. While jewelweed is not typically consumed as a food source, its young shoots and leaves can be cooked and eaten. However, its primary value lies in its medicinal properties, rather than its nutritional content. Medicinal parts and uses. Jewelweed is renowned for its soothing and healing properties, particularly for skin-related issues. Poison ivy and poison oak, the sap from jewelweed is widely used to alleviate the itching and inflammation caused by poison ivy and poison oak. Crushing the stems and applying the juice directly to the affected area can provide immediate relief. Ochre spines and stinging nettle. Jewelweed can also relieve irritation from ochre spines and stinging nettle. Applying the sap to the irritated skin helps to neutralize the chemicals causing the discomfort. Antifungal. Jewelweed has antifungal properties and can be used to treat fungal infections, such as athlete's foot. Its sap, or a poultice made from the leaves, can be applied to the affected area. Bruises, burns, and eczema. The plant is effective in treating minor burns, bruises, and eczema. Its anti-inflammatory properties help soothe the skin and promote healing. Insect bites. Applying jewelweed sap to insect bites can reduce itching and swelling, providing quick relief. Other medicinal uses. Historically, jewelweed has been used to address kidney and liver issues, urinary tract infections, and as a diuretic. It has also been used to promote blood flow after childbirth and to relieve gastrointestinal upset. However, these internal uses are generally not recommended by modern herbalists due to potential risks. Precautions. It's important to note that jewelweed should be used with caution. Internal use. Most herbalists advise against using jewelweed internally due to insufficient evidence on its safety and efficacy. It is best utilized for topical applications. Confusion with potentilla. Jewelweed is sometimes referred to as silverweed, a name it shares with potentilla. These plants are not interchangeable. Potentilla should not be confused with jewelweed, as they have different properties and uses. Preparation. Jewelweed can be used fresh as a water extraction or made into a poultice. However, it should not be used in alcohol tinctures, as this can destroy its beneficial properties. Additionally, it should be used in small amounts and diluted to avoid potential skin irritation. Jewelweed is a valuable plant in herbal medicine, especially for its topical applications in treating skin conditions such as poison ivy, insect bites, and fungal infections. While it has a history of internal use for various ailments, modern herbalists generally do not recommend it for such purposes. Proper identification and preparation are crucial to harnessing its benefits safely. Always exercise caution and consult with a knowledgeable herbalist before using jewelweed, especially for internal use.